Welcome back to the Dr. Jeffrey Tauth Heart Talk Show. Today's show is called Dr. Jeffrey Tauth, RC Weekend Warriors Saturday Sweat Sessions Under Fire. And trust me, it's juicier than your cousin's peach cobbler. So here's the million-dollar question that's got my cardiologist brain buzzing. Are you one of the 20 million Americans cramming all your exercise into weekends? Because hold on to your heart rate monitors, folks. New research reveals that weekend-only workouts might actually be sabotaging your heart health. Now, before you throw your running shoes at me, stick around because we're about to uncover the hidden risks and what actually works to keep that ticker of yours humming like a well-tuned engine. Let's dive into what I call the weekend warrior problem, and boy, is this one a doozy. Weekend warriors are those well-intentioned folks who exercise just 2 to 3 times per week, often cramming it all into Saturday and Sunday. Now, I get it, life happens, work happens, but here's what's happening to your heart. You're creating these dramatic spikes in heart rate and blood pressure after 5 or more days of sitting on your posterior. It's like revving a cold engine in January, except that engine is your heart, and it's not prepared for those sudden intense demands you're throwing at it. Picture this. You spend Monday through Friday planted at your desk like a houseplant. Then Saturday morning you decide to channel your inner Olympic athlete. Your cardiovascular system is sitting there going, wait, what now? It's the classic feast or famine pattern, and trust me, your heart is not impressed with this drama. So what exactly happens to your heart during this weekly roller coaster? Well, those sedentary weekdays cause your blood vessels to stiffen up and lose flexibility. Think of them like garden hoses that have been sitting in the garage all winter. Then comes the weekend, and you shock those unprepared arteries with sudden blood flow surges. Yep, entirely true, I can't make this stuff up. The research shows that your risk of heart attack actually increases by 56% during these exercise bursts. Your recovery takes longer, inflammation stays elevated between weekend sessions, and your poor heart is basically playing catch-up all the time. Now, let me tell you about Sarah, a 42-year-old marketing executive from Denver who learned this lesson the hard way. Every Saturday, she'd tackle an 8-mile hike after sitting at her desk all week like a statue. For 3 weekends straight, she powered through these hikes, feeling pretty proud of herself. Then came weekend number 4, and during that 3rd mile, she started experiencing chest tightness. Not the good kind of burn you get from pushing yourself, but the kind that makes you think, maybe I should see you in the clinic, we need to talk. Sarah ended up in the ER, and guess what they found? Elevated cardiac enzymes, which basically means her heart was literally struggling to keep up with her weekend warrior routine. The good news is, Sarah's smart. She didn't give up her beloved hikes, but she added 2 15-minute walks on Tuesday and Thursday. Problem solved. Her heart went from weekend panic mode to, oh, we're doing this exercise thing regularly now, I can handle this. Here's the heart-smart alternative that'll save you from Sarah's scary ER visit. You need a minimum of 150 minutes of exercise weekly, but here's the kicker. Spread it across 3 to 4 days. Even 10-minute walks on weekdays prepare your cardiovascular system for weekend fun. It's like giving your heart regular practice runs instead of throwing it into weekend marathons without training. Consistency beats intensity every single time when it comes to heart health protection. Your cardiovascular system needs regular maintenance, not weekend shock therapy. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You wouldn't skip brushing all week then scrub for an hour on Saturday, right? Same principle applies to your heart, so here's your actionable takeaway that you can start implementing today. This week, add 2 10-minute walks on Tuesday and Thursday. Keep doing whatever weekend activities make you happy, but give your heart some weekday preparation time. Your cardiovascular system will thank you, your energy levels will improve, and you won't end up as a cautionary tale in my next podcast. The bottom line is this. Being a weekend warrior isn't necessarily evil, but being a weekday couch potato definitely is. Your heart craves consistency, not drama. Give it what it needs, and it'll keep you going strong through all those weekend adventures. This has been the Dr. Jeffrey Tauth Heart Talk Show. Until next time, stay healthy, and remember, if you're looking for answers, check out drjeffreytauth.us.com. Later, y'all.